what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? First and foremost, I gotta wish everybody a Merry Christmas Eve, because we're dropping this today before Christmas. So I hope everybody out there is having a great time, around these holiday season, man. We just got done with Thanksgiving, which was awesome. And now we around our Christmas time frame where you should be giving, you know what I'm saying? You should be in that mood to give. At this point in my, life, I don't even care about getting anything, you know what I'm saying? I'm more about giving back to everybody else, you know what I'm saying? Loved ones and stuff like that. So, hey, I am loving this time of the year. So if you guys let me know how your day is going, how your Christmas Eve, how your Christmas going, whenever you are watching this video. But again, man, I do want to, extend that out to you guys. I hope y'all are having a great holiday season this Christmas time with your loved ones, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and do your boy a solid, man. Run the likes up. And I need one person, bro. I need one person to comment a like goal. I'm going to pin that comment, and hopefully we can crush it. Please don't pull up one or two. Let's boost it up a little bit. Let's get the energy up. Let's get the people to interact with the videos, and hopefully I get you guys to comment as well, because this Jordan 1, first of all, I can't even believe I hit. And second of all, I just can't believe it here in my collection. I beat the final boss and I actually hit. So hey, we got to talk about it in today's video. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, guys, I just went on a crazy rant just about what, a week ago, I feel like. We just got the crazy news about this particular sneaker being dealt out in a different way. And I said, bro, I'm not here for that at all. And I said, I never hit. And then lo and behold, shouts out to my old lady, actually. I can't even take the credit. Shout out to my old lady, you know what I'm saying? She hit on these. And then what's crazy is I told her right before the draw opened, I'm like, usually I just go out on a limb and do it myself. But this time I said, let me just ask, you know what I'm saying? Let me see if somebody else can help me out and get in these joints right here. So after I, asked for that help, I put it out there. I manifested, I said, bro, we need this dub. I was lucky enough to actually get them. Shout out to my old lady. I do appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I cannot get this box open, so you guys give me a couple seconds so I can rip this thing open. I have some bad trauma with this box. One time I was trying to, pull it too fast, and I cut my whole hand. Had a band-aid on my finger. It was about a couple years ago, and I'm still thinking about that every time I get a box like this from Nike, because I'm not going for it again, bro. It's not happening, but I'm just going to go ahead and rip this box open, because if not, I'm going to be here all day, man. All right, so we up in this thing, man. Let's go ahead and check it out. We finally have them. We beat the final boss. Let's slip them out. Come on. Y'all know what we got, bro. Y'all know what's going on right here. Y'all see them, man. Y'all know what come in the box. Go ahead and do a 360 and read the official colorway size tag. Air Jordan 1 Low OGSP. Dark mocha, black velvet, and brown. And we got them things in a size 9. Yes, sir. Your boy has them. Your boy got them in the collection. And this is after like a week of me crying about how Travis Scott has been handling his sneakers. And yeah, let's go ahead and check them out. You guys see, we got the pink tissue paper on side, Travis Scott, Nike Air, all those crazy logos inside. And yeah, we're gonna have to flip these things open, bro. It's been long overdue. This is my first retail dub on Travis Scott in literally 6 years, bro. 6 years, and we finally have them. Your boy beat the final ball. Shout out to Unbreakable Kicks. Check them out, man. The Velvet Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott, guys. These things, I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. All hype aside, and y'all gotta do a little research about me, you know what I'm saying? That mocha is crazy in my opinion, bro. I know you're like, oh, incoming, he's a hype beast comments. It ain't about that, bro. It ain't about that. Actually was wanting to get these for, some time now. Ever since I seen that we were getting them, I said I need to have them. And that's what goes to another sneaker you guys are going to see. It's a Grail unboxing. I probably already gave it away, but it's another shoe that's all mocha, predominantly mocha, that I have on the way, and I needed them. But check them out, bro. All brown suede on these guys. And it's crazy because you know, I got a retail dub. So I didn't have to go out and spend no crazy money. And I checked the resale value right before recording this video, and they were only going for like $380 to $400 ranges in my size. And, you know, some of the bigger sizes, because of course, those bigger sizes be going for some bread. But this is probably the one that bricked the most in my opinion. You know, we always got to label it as a brick or the resale low. It happens, bro. This is what happened in the sneaker community. We got to label something based off its resale value. It's crazy, but I've never seen a Travis Scott 1 low drop nothing like this, besides another Air Jordan 1 that I did hit on, which I waited on, got him for a crazy steal, which we're about to grab right now. But I need you guys to let me know, man. Did you get a W or an L on these Travis Scott Mocha, guys? I'm liking them, bro. It's plain, simplistic, and almost like the all black joints that I was critiquing heavily, like it's all black. But then I look back like, yo, I love all black sneakers. Black Cat 4s, Black Cat 3s that's about to come out. I need them all. And we got all Mocha. It is the perfect sneaker around this fall and winter time frame. I'm just being honest, bro. And the quality, the hits of that leather on the Nike swoosh is looking really, really good. I'm not gonna hold y'all, man. So my goal this year was to get all the Travis Scott sneakers that I really did want coming into the year. This one happened to crack my top 10 of the year, and this is the Elkin Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 low. So it's not just like I just got the Mocha joints and I've been crazy about them, but it's a couple colorways that did go out and get that people on the flip side did not like as much. So these, like I said, kind of bricked a bit. The resale dropped tremendously after the drop, which is a good thing. It helps people that really want the sneaker go out there and not spend an arm and a leg. These drops around like $350, and I snagged them, and they probably going around that same price range right now. But these, the Mocha joints, and I haven't seen any other Travis Scott low Jordan 1 that is dropped that much, besides, you know, those Jumpman Jacks, the all Mocha pair. They didn't drop tremendously, but they dropped enough to, you know, raise eyebrows and make people hurry up and go get them while that price is low. But I do not know how long, bro, and I'm being honest, I do not know how long they're going to stay in that $300 price range. Mocha, all black, all white sneakers tend to do very, very well over time. People might, you know what I'm saying, start going out there and grabbing all the pairs. You just never know. I just feel like when it being a predominant color, all brown, and the quality that it does have, I know people are going to want to get these before, you know, around February, March time frame when they start to rise again. I'm just, hey, I got to keep it honest with you guys, man. It did come with some extra laces. Let's go ahead and check it out. It came with some pink laces right here, and it also came with some brown laces. I think it's like some brown rope laces, if I'm not mistaken. They came already out the box. Go ahead and pull them out real quick so you can check it out. So it came with the brown kind of wax laces, and the inside you got that like light chocolate Mocha laces already equipped in them, guys. It's really crazy because coming into this year, I had no Travis Scott Jordan 1s. I only got a couple pair of Travis Scott's, the Travis Scott 6 khaki joints, and also have his Air trainers that he dropped. And now this year, man, we've been putting it in there, bro. This one was super lucky because I got it for retail, which rarely ever happens. Again, first time in 6 years that I got a pair of Travis Scott Scott's from Sneakers app. Crazy dub, you know what I'm saying? And these right here, I pulled the trigger when the prices was low, and they are both currently low, man. So if you're trying to build your Travis Scott collection up, you're trying to get some dope, different Jordan 1s in the collection, these are two that I would definitely target. But the all Mocha, I'm telling you, bro, you got to get a pair in hand just to see it, just to kind of appreciate it a little bit more. But they went crazy on the quality, and yeah, man, I'm all over it. You guys already know Travis Scott Cactus Jack little logo on the inside, backwards swoosh on these guys, man. Just everything about these, bro, screams Travis Scott. You know, that Mocha is Travis Scott's color, and I am all here for it, man. So again, man, make sure you guys go check them out over on GOAT, wherever you do purchase your sneakers third party. If you do want them, I would get them before next year because the releases ain't stopping. Next year is going to be crazy with releases. So if you want to go back and get grills, you're going to have to sneak in a couple in between all the crazy releases we're getting the first quarter in 2025. So y'all let me know if you got them. Let me know if you about to snag them. The prices are low. I would grab them right now if I was you. If you are honestly trying to get them, it's the best time. I'm telling y'all, bro. But if y'all new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. And please, man, run the likes up. I'm going to comment and pin whoever put that like goal. Hopefully we crush it. Hopefully we get it. Without further ado, I appreciate y'all. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Love y'all. And catch you on the next one, man. Peace.